My name is Tanya, and today I will show you how to easily convert your file of clients into a CSV file so you can import them to your LyfQuest platform. First, open up your file of clients. There are specific columns that LyfQuest is looking for to import information to the platform. The very first column must be the name column. The client's first and last name must be in the same cell, or it will not import correctly to the LyfQuest platform. Next, make sure the word email is all one word, no space and no dash between the E and mail. Now the number of columns that separate the name and email will not matter. LyfQuest is looking for these two fields when importing your clients. So the most vital information for importing your clients is to have the first and last name in the first column and to have the email spelled as one word. This will enable you to send invitations to your clients, inviting them to your new business platform. Once these steps are completed, go to the Save As screen. Update the name of your file to CSV Contact or CSV Client. Name it something that will clearly differentiate it from the original file. Next, select CSV as the file type. Click Save, and you're done. Now you are ready to import your clients to the LyfQuest platform. Next, watch our video on how to import clients. Thank you for watching, and check out our YouTube channel for more useful tutorials for setting up a successful LyfQuest platform.